Hello everyone, welcome to Software Testing with Jamil, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on downloading Mozilla Firefox, installing it and then checking the version of it. So let's get cracking. So start off with just go to your browser and go to one of the search engines. I'm here in google.com, so I'll start searching Firefox and then search for Firefox. That should bring up a mozilla.org link, which is normally the first link. So if you once you see that link, if you click on that download Firefox link, once you're on the Mozilla homepage, so you got the download button there, download now, and you also have an advanced install option and other platforms. So if you click on that, that will give you an option to download on Windows 64-bit, Mac, Linux 64, and then you got the Linux 32 and Windows 32-bit. So personally, I have the Windows 64, so I'll just click on Windows 64, and that should download me the Firefox for Windows 64. It shouldn't take that long, and then it's an exe file. It shouldn't take that long. Yeah, so that will install it. It does take a bit of time, so it has installed it. So it's saying the following was successfully imported, and it's refreshing, and that is now installed. So now if you go to menu, there it is, Firefox installed, and it does start up. Yeah, so I started with a blank page, and there's also a page in privacy settings. Yeah, so you got all the options here. Once it's uploaded, and you could browse through them if you want to have a look. But I wanted to show you the actual version we downloaded. So what we do on the top right hand corner, there is a open menu here, which is the 3 lines. If you click on that and then go down to help, click on that, and then about Firefox, and if you click on that, that will show you the version we downloaded, which is the version 75 for 64 bits, which is our Windows. Yeah, and that is how to download and install Firefox. Thank you for joining me today, and if you like this video, and then do like it, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button to get the latest videos, and I'll see you next time.